Hey, what is going on, everybody? Oop, no, my earbud fell out. It's me, ProGundy, or whatever the heck my YouTube name is. I forget. Uh, I'm here with the Final Showdown event. I'm about to go into the Final Showdown event. You feel me? Uh, I'm about to go into the Final Showdown. It's about 7 minutes till the event. Uh, as you all should know, well, actually, probably, I don't know, but I'm Team Mecha, you feel me? I don't know why. He looking like a snack. I'm kidding, bro. Chill, no homo. But got my got my equipment on right now. On keyboard and mouse, you know. Got my PC back just now. Just a few like yesterday. So it's cool. Dang. You can go all the way back. I was I was in this one. I was in the open division. My tournament region is NA West, huh? Trios Cash Cup, huh? Well, when I had 300, yo, can you, like, load? Come on, please. Alright, well, this is, gonna be a pretty dope event, I hope. You're... What the heck? Oh, I'll be mad if I can't get in. Come on, please let me get in. Please let me get in. I should not have waited this long, I guess. I waited till about 7 or so minutes left. Okay, I'm watching another YouTuber right now. He's live. I'm not... sorry. Uh, waiting for matchmaking to commence. Oh, come on. Finding a match. Come on. Come on, please. Come on. Joining server. It's gonna say... Watch for this. It's gonna say the same thing for them. Please, just let me get into the Flubin game. I don't even care if it's on Phil. Well, I'm low-key just trying to watch the event. Come on. Please. I put it on Don't Fail so I don't get any more people in my game. Come on. Please let me join. Come on, please. Joining, please let me join. Please let me join. Please let me join the server. Please let me join the server. Please, 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 please. Please, please, please. Let me join the Flubin server. 3 minutes. Yes! Let's go. Alright. 3 minutes. 3 minutes till the event. Alright, everybody. I'm pumped right now. Oh, alright. I'm in the game. 3 minutes till the event. 3 minutes till the event. Hi, everybody. It's me. Discount Tifu. Not really. That one kid. Yeah, but you can shoot, but... Yes, my brother, Team Mech. Hey. Hey. Alright, everybody. Oh my god, this guy's got them goated emotes, you feel me? Alright, alright, everybody. Whew, it's gonna be dope, this event. Oh, please move my phone out of the way. Alright, I'm Team Mech all the way, everybody. Get it, you know, you feel me? Hey, what's good? What time is it? 1 minute till the event. Wait, where's the thing? It says take high ground. There's a fight, take high ground. Yo, gotta get that best content, you feel me? Yo, everybody's on Power Rangers head. Let's go. Let's go, my brother. I love you, man. Oh, hey. Yo, everyone's dancing on I'm naming him let's see. His name's Joe for now. Or no, his name's William. I like that name. William. Oops. Event. Where's that coming from? I hear a noise, everyone. Oh my god, that thing is huge. Hey, what's good? Yo, what's good? I hate you, bro. I am not Team Monster. Hey, what's good, brother? Holy crud, nope. Whew. Bro, let's go. Yo, you guys, gotta get that best content for you. I probably won't get the whole event, though. Oh, yeah, let's go, bro. You're dead, chief. Oh my god, my frames are dropping. Had to get the best quality for you, now you feel me, guys? Yo, what's Godzilla, bro? What's good? Yo, low-key, if I saw this in real life. Yo, it's my boy Power Ranger boy. You gotta hit him with that cuddly, feel me? No! Oh, come on, get back up. Please. Please. Ew, you ugly. Stop it. Oh. Throw it back into the ocean. Everyone's going this way. That's not the whole event, right? Let's go, Mecha 1! Or not. I said get the high ground if there was a fight. No. Come on, Mecha. Oh no, my frame. Yo, you guys, my frames are dropping so fast. Yo, this is low key. Mecha, we all love you. Mecha. Don't die. Don't lose. No. Yo, can I go like 1v1? Yo, bro, let me build battle you, bro. Let's go 1v1. Let's go, bro. 1v1 me, bro. Oh. He took out Kevin. He's using Kevin. I love you. I love you. Oh my god, this is the dope. This is the coolest fight. Holy crud, you guys. 5 minutes is all I have left on the recording. Ooh. Yo, this is some freaking this is some Power Rangers type stuff right here, you guys. You feel me? Power Rangers. That right there, that's gonna be my screensaver. That right there. He's flossing on him. Hey, yeah, go get out of here, bro. You bot. We all love you. Yo, the monster's body's still there, right? What's happening? Yo, you guys probably can't hear all this, but it was super dope. I'm gonna go see if the body is still there. The monster. Oh, that thing's dope. Yo, everybody's fighting now? Bro. What the hell? Yo, I was sweating. Well, everybody. That right there, that was an event. Alright? Let me tell you now, that was an event. Yo, let's go check out Tilted before the time runs out. I only have 15 minutes total. That event was dope. I gotta tell you. Sorry, you guys, my frames drop most of the time, but let's go check out Tilted. He ripped out a sword from Tilted, didn't he? There's a sword he ripped out. Where'd he rip it out from? Well, everybody, what you're about to see okay. Alright, everybody. I might have to end the video there. I'll play for, I want to go back to controller, but for about a minute. We have about a minute left, so all I gotta say is thanks for coming and hopefully enjoying the video. Honestly, I thought that was a cool event and one of the coolest events that I've ever seen personally. I've been to most of them. I'm sorry. Holy crap. Killed him. Yeah, I'm better on controller. I was gonna